Welcome to this Sage Business Cloud Accounting demo. In this video, you will be shown how to correct transactions in Sage Accounting. If transactions have been recorded with an incorrect ledger account or analysis type, they can be adjusted in a few simple steps with the Correct Transactions feature. From the Adjustments menu, select Correct Transactions and click Make Correction to start. The first step to correct transactions is to select one or several filters to search and select transactions. Our first filter will be a date range. We are searching for transactions recorded in January. Our second filter will be the contact. We would like to check and adjust transactions recorded with our vendor, Staples Business Depot. If necessary, additional filters can be used, such as a specific transaction type, an amount, a ledger account, or analysis type selected. Next, we'll click Search. All transactions that match the criteria are listed. We can see information about the date, contact, transactions type, as well as the ledger account used, analysis types, amounts, and the user who recorded the transaction. Here, we can see that two of these transactions were not assigned to office supplies, which is a mistake in our case. Select the transaction or transactions to adjust, then click Next. On this page, select the ledger account and the analysis types to use for the selected transactions. Let's change the ledger account to our office supplies expense account. In this case, we will not modify the analysis types. A comment could also be entered. If you selected one of the transactions by mistake, click the cross symbol to remove it from the list. You could also use the back button to return to the transaction selection. To move forward with our adjustment, we'll click Review. A summary of the changes now appears. We'll click Update to confirm. Sage Accounting now applies the corrections for all the transactions selected. Finally, we'll click Done to return to the main Correct Transaction screen. A list of corrections now displays on the screen with a status. Let's make another correction, this time to adjust the analysis type. Now we are looking for a sales transaction that has been mistakenly allocated to our snow removal activity. We use the transaction type filter to select sales invoice and the activity filter to select snow removal. This activity filter could also be used to search for transactions that have not been assigned to an activity. Let's click Search. Like we did before, we select one or several transactions to update, and we click Next. This time, we select the new activity for this transaction. We can enter a comment as well. Let's click Review and confirm that we would like to update this transaction. Finally, we click Done, and the adjustment has now been processed. Congratulations! You now know how to correct transactions in Sage Business Cloud Accounting.